How to troubleshoot a bad idle control valve in your Porsche 911. What's an idle control valve and what does it do? An idle air control, IAC, valve or actuator is an electrical device. It sits next to the throttle body. It works with the engine management computer to maintain a steady engine idle speed, RPM, in your Porsche 911. If it fails, your Porsche 911 engine would stall when idling. What causes the idle control valve to go bad? Following reasons are primarily responsible for IAC valve failure in your Porsche 911. Contamination, dust and debris, electrical issues, disconnected terminals. What happens when the idle control valve goes bad? Rough engine idling. The IAC valve is supposed to maintain steady engine idle in your Porsche 911. However, a faulty IAC actuator fails to do so, which would be reflected in your car's idle RPMs. So, get it replaced to ensure smooth engine idling in your Porsche 911. Check engine light is blinking. If your Porsche 911 check engine light is flashing, there's a good chance its IAC valve is failing. If left unaddressed, it can adversely affect your car's overall performance. Problem starting engine. A faulty IAC valve can interrupt the air supply to the engine. As a result of which, you might face difficulties while trying to start your Porsche 911 engine. Sometimes, your Porsche would start, but then dies unexpectedly. Occasionally, having a bad IAC valve can cause the engine to backfire. IAC valve failure in Porsche 911. How to fix it? If the IAC valve goes bad, you would encounter all sorts of engine-related issues in your car. So, if you're noticing the above said signs while idling your Porsche 911, there's a good chance its IAC valve is failing. Take your car to the nearest car repair shop to get the actuator replaced. Final thoughts. Ideal air control valve or actuator essentially maintains a steady engine idle speed in your car. So, if it goes bad, get a new one.